Alright, you guys. Now we are going to do the watermelon challenge.
Woo!
And, yep, you both got your rubber band balls?
We're gonna make you hit me.
Show us your rubber band ball, Catherine. Alright, cool. So, the thing of the game is the last person to put on a rubber band, and when the watermelon explodes, loses. Alright?
It's gonna hit me.
Yeah, they bounce. Alright, you guys ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, you two do rock, paper, scissors to see who puts their first rubber band.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Catherine wins. Okay, Catherine, you start.
Oh, I have to go first? Okay.
Yeah. Make sure you stretch through. Stretch the rubber band.
Halfway.
Right in the middle.
You can fast zoom this guy.
Can we fast zoom?
Yeah, I'll fast zoom it.
Right? It's fucking hot out here. Oh!
No!
Keep going. Don't stop. You don't stop. Don't stop till you get enough. You didn't hear that.
Did you break the rubber band? Yeah, stretch them out. Stretch them out like that. Before you, yeah.
It was a broken rubber band.
Ah, that sucks.
You missed.
Don't waste rubber bands. Oh, she got.
Did you see that? I shot myself.
Oh, there goes the rubber band.
I shot my rubber band.
Oh, they're put on in a pattern. I need to see.
Ah. Ah.
Oh shit. Oh shit. The table broke.
Oh shit.
Dad's gonna be pissed.
I can probably fix it.
Dad's gonna be pissed.
I can fix it.
Hey, we said that in the wooden spoon challenge.
Oh yeah, what if...
Dad's gonna be pissed.
I think Dad's
Okay,
gonna be
fix
pissed at
it.
every single thing we do in this video.
Like that sun is bearing on you.
Right now it's 99 degrees outside, is it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Almost 100 degrees. But you know, for us it's not that bad. It's just
Yes.
like a regular hot day.
like-
Yesterday we went to the
halfway
lake. It was
hot.
105 degrees. That was hot as.
Our aunt and our cousins came over from California, and it was like nighttime, and it was windy, but it was a little warm,
It
and
was
they were
beautiful.
just
It was like low 90s,
Our
probably like
cousin
high
said it
80s.
was
I think it was like
super
high
hot.
80s. Like
yeah,
88 degrees
and then
outside.
we're just like enjoying the weather. It was like, oh my god, it's so cozy
they're
outside,
complaining 'cause
and then
of
you're just
how
like,
hot it
it's
is.
so hot outside, and then we're just like, oh my god,
Like, it's not hot.
we're just like,
This
it's
is-
not that hot.
This
But
is
then
the best weather they have.
But then we went to California, and it was like, what was it, 70? It was like high 60s and low 70s, and we're at Pismo Beach,
Cold.
and it was all windy, and it was so cold for us. I was like, I can't even stand it, and so I went straight into the nearest store, and I bought a jacket. It actually said Pismo Beach on it. I don't know what that jacket is.
What happened to that jacket?
I don't know. Big his head is.
They have like a friend in head.
I got big ears. How can you miss?
You got small ass ears.
You have small ass ears.
I do?
No, Catherine.
I don't.
Well, Isaiah has like these ears. They're small, but they look big.
Oh, stop.
How does that make sense?
You can
Because
see his
you
hand.
have a small head or a big head. I can't even tell, dude. You're just unproportional in my mind.
Beetle. It's so secretly doing that. It's like the third time you've done that. It's
Like I say, the inanimate object likes me.
Hot glue the bowl to the table.
I love those videos where you see like a little kid and he's just there at the table or at school and he's like, boom!
There are a lot of those. There's something wrong with little kids.
Tia Nancy did that.
Oh yeah, she just like all of
Was
a
it Tia
sudden.
Nancy or Tia Nana? She was at apparently what happened with Tia was when they were kids, they were at the dinner table and they were just all just sitting there and Tia was just staring at her plate. She just stared at it. And then finally she caught the attention of everyone at the table. And in the middle of her stare, she just boom! It looks kind of messed up.
You know how when I'm in the kitchen doing stuff like cooking or cleaning, and then you hear like this loud crash, and I'm just like, I know everybody heard that, so I start yelling, nothing broke. But then there was that one time I was washing dishes, and I was washing something glass, and I had dropped it in the sink too hard, and it shattered. And you guys, and I'm just like, something broke, and Isaiah was laughing so
I
hard.
was laughing my ass off. I was like, ha 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 ha.
Something finally broke.
And Denise and Dad and her and everyone else in the house are like, what broke? What happened? You hear me in the background?
Because Isaiah knows I always say that certain thing, but this one time I said something broke.
I knew it and I was like, oh, she probably broke something.
One time, my friend brought a watermelon to school. It was like, oh, it was Nate. Isaiah, you know Nate, right?
Yeah, I know Nate.
He brought a little personal watermelon like that to school, and then he threw it on the ground or something. He smashed it, but I don't know how he opened it, but that's how he would do it, definitely. Anyway, and so he starts like, he didn't have anything to eat it with, so he's just eating it with his hands, and then everyone starts eating. Everyone's like, can we eat it with our hands? And then all of a sudden we're all just like savages and stuff and just like shredding it apart.
Is that close?
But don't steal my cookies at least.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Give me the ribbon!
Oh, it's kind of wet.
Oh, it's wet?
Yeah. Oh, come on. There's holes right here. Bring the camera right here.
Oh yeah, that's where when I pierced my ears into it.
There's holes right here.
Those are the holes I pierced my ear into.
See that?
Oh yeah, Catherine was laying her head on the
tastes
watermelon.
See?
Hold on.
It tastes good, guys.
I
Look
need
it.
to focus.
It tastes good.
Let her focus it. Keep it still.
Stop moving. Alright, there you go. They could see it. Catherine had had her head on the watermelon in the back of her earring, pierced into it. So now there's holes.
rubber bands, yeah. Oh, the ball went in the chair.
I'm gonna fix my
No. You might compromise it. Stop.
You might compromise it?
Yeah, the interior, so it's not as...
You mean you might sabotage it?
No, I mean like, she might...
Compress it?
Decompress it.
Decompress?
Yeah, because it's already compressed.
But then it would pop, don't you think?
No. If everything that was
my
compressed
God.
popped, then how would air in a tank and like oxygen and air tank, that is compressed oxygen, not pop. Period.
Oh my god.
Any minute now.
I'm going to get sunburned.
So much.
You need it.
You're dark. You're not gonna get any sunburn.
You'd be surprised.
If you took off your shirt, show how white you are on the inside, then you
I
get
got
some.
farmer signs going on right now.
Am I white?
Yeah, you're white. You're a white child. You're a white.
I just thought it was never made it.
Haha, Catherine's so white. Just kidding. I'm whiter than any of you guys.
You're so white, you fucking shine. With happiness.
This watermelon.
Gotta be rough with the watermelon. Gotta be rough with the watermelon. Smack it.
Oh my god. Oh my god, hold on.
Oh, look.
Oh my god, it's doing good.
Oh my god, bring the watermelon to this way. I'm like following you with guys the camera. Whoa.
I got a good strip off of it.
Savagery. Mmm. That's good watermelon.
I drink out of it. Look.
Success. High five. Success. Success. Success.
Oh, awesome. It hit me in the face. It didn't hit me in the face.
Open your mouth. Awesome.
No.
It's hard for me.
Turn it the other way. Well, you guys, that concludes
Best
the
way to
challenge.
open a watermelon.
We actually did it.
Right. That was the watermelon challenge, you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.
Thank you. Subscribe.
Okay, what is it?
Okay, so I went outside to go pick up the rest of the rubber bands.
Mm-hmm.
I can't find them though. I only find like little ones. And so I'm thinking maybe they're just spread out all across the lawn. And
What?
I'm thinking that the rubber bands are probably all over the lawn, but I don't really see that many. You saw how many we undone, right?
Yeah.
I just washed my hair.
And then Catherine found her ball, the one that was still all together, her bundle. And so we're looking, and Catherine goes over there and she sees it.
Let me see. Oh wow. It's just right. It came all the. There's the table, and it came all the way from there.
In a bundle.
In a bundle.
Yeah. This is the heart of a watermelon. Oh wait, there's watermelon inside.
What? Okay. Okay, hold on. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Okay, so when the
shit!
this is the rubber bands that were around a watermelon.
You know what this means?
Give
The
it to them.
sweetest
Give it to
part
them.
of the watermelon is in there.
Okay, so
sweetest part.
this is the part that was being put on the watermelon. So it all clumped together when the watermelon popped, and it flew all the way over here, and it stayed intact. So even though it's all nice and bundled up for you guys, you're gonna have to unbundle it and get the watermelon out from the center.
I call this the watermelon heart.
the
watermelon heart.
Malone, the Malone heart. Yeah, you guys do that in the kitchen. It's getting hotter outside.
No, it's fine. We can do it right here.
You can take a couple of seconds. I can see the bottom.
Do you see right there?
Yeah, see?
Oh my god.
Don't eat it. Not until we get to the bottom.
It's fine.
That's a rubber band ball catcher. It's not a fruit.
There's fruit inside.
Oh my god.
Ah. Ah.
Alright. That's the end of this video.
Come on.
Wait,
We're
hold
almost there
on.
to the bottom.
Aw.
We gotta get to the heart. This is open heart surgery, bro.
How did the dragon?
No.
I got 2 minutes of film left. Hurry up.
Okay, wait. We have to be very careful right here.
Ready? You filming?
Yeah.
Look.
Oh my god. It's not much watermelon.
But it's still watermelon. I got the green right there too.
Oh, there's some green in there. I got to eating it. Nice.
Look at that. Flip it inside out. Seeds. Seeds for our next watermelon.
For our next watermelon.
Alright, thank you y'all. Subscribe, comment. Tell us what
Like
challenge
and
to do next because we honestly don't know what to do most of the time. We come up with my sister.
Why don't we do the tin can challenge next?
I want you guys to do the photo booth challenge.
I want our
next.
subscribers to tell us what to do because
Yeah.
basically we
Y'all
are
guys
going to
leave
do what you
comments
tell
and
us.
tell us what challenges you would like us to do next.
Alright.
Peace out.